Bonjour and welcome to my channel. Today I want to organize my lab. As you can see here, there are a couple of breadboards with electronic components on it. These are standby projects. So I want to do something to organize it a little bit better. I thought about something that will maintain them vertically so I can store them in a longer term while I'm doing other projects, as you can see here. So this is my goal today. Let's do this. First off, as usual, I went to Fusion and I redrawn the breadboards and the shelf. First, I thought I would use my CNC, so I designed this, but it's a little bit bulky. I use plywood, 10 millimeters plywood, so I have a laser, so let's try it with a thinner plywood. As you can see here, let's remove the breadboards. So this is the new design that I came up with. As you can see, I have a panel here, another one on this side. I have two vertical ones, and this one will be glued with these tags. And this is it. It's quite simple. Let's prepare the DXF to use with Inkscape. Now I load all the files in Inkscape and prepare all of them to be cut with the laser all at once. Next up, I prepare my laser. I place the plywood on it and prepare the coordinate. Doing so, I make sure I use the plywood optimally. And I loaded the file in the application that is used to control the laser and fire up the cut. It took about 5 minutes. Et voilà. Okay, now it's time to glue it all together. I let it dry for about 10 minutes and voila, it was finished. Let's install it in my lab. And here we have it, the final product. It's perfect. I can store many boards with electronics component on them without interfering one with another, even though there are a couple of wires on it. So, this is it for today. I hope I inspire you. See you next time. Bye!